Alright, so fishing wasn't a bust and I end up leaving, and what ends up happening is my daytime running light is out. So I might as well just do a little tutorial on that because that's new for me. What I did already was remove a panel on the passenger side to the right side. And actually, I didn't even think I could. So okay, whatever, I gotta take off the tire for it. So yeah, let's do that real quick. Alright, so upon lifting it with the jack, you might actually be able to reach in there when it's up like that, but look in here. Alright, oh my gosh, what the heck is this thing in my way? I don't know, I don't want to touch it. Anyhow, it might be a buffer. It goes, I don't know. Alright, anyhow. Alright, I don't want to sidetrack here. You can clearly see the fog light. So now you can see right there is the fog lamp. Up there, one of those two things is my daytime running light, and I don't know what this fucking bladder thing is. So, time to find out which one of those is mine that needs to be replaced. A lot easier than I thought. Well, you can see the one hole there, and then I brought it down here, and I am going to test it, but on the back, I don't know if the camera is going to get it, but on the back there, it tells you what it is, and the manual, of course, coincides with that, so that's how I knew that's the one I needed, which of course, in my case, because I'm so lucky, on the other side, and I thought maybe I could get some light by opening the hood, and that doesn't do it. So now what I'm gonna do is just gonna turn on the car and make sure that that's the right bulb that's out. Yep, it's out. Okay, so I took out the bulb and I'm gonna look up any other sort of a make for it. I'm guessing this is still Mopar, and I'll look at that in a second. But what's interesting is when it came out, I looked at the bottom, and I'm gonna hold it like this, with my finger behind it. There's a bump here, and there's no bump there. So I looked in, and there's this bump thing here, this little pellet. So basically, I think the bulb fried down there. Didn't look like there were markings on the contacts in the thing, so I'm guessing that's a good thing. And now to try and find a bulb that will work. Alright, so this is the old bulb where the filament is still intact, but this connector at the bottom completely fell off. And this is the wow, I hope this is the P215W. Yeah, that's it. You know, this is it. It's also got the same number. Where was it? 12499, 12499. Yeah, so they just manufacturers a little changed it up a bit. And I bet you this isn't even supposed to be ovular. Circular. Alright, so you're the bad one, you're the good one. Okay. So basically, wow, is there a place for me to rest this? Yeah, why not? That's kind of perfect. Okay. So the old one came out. I just want to make sure everything fell out of there. Looks it. And oh, okay, so there's two little slits on the side here. These two little metal bits coming out, and there's actually, it lines up in there. You can see one's higher, one goes straight down, lower. So that's important that they're in the right spot there. And then basically I push down, it looks like, and then twist clockwise. Okay, they're in. Alright, so now alright, so on the inside I have no light popping on, which is good. Not over here, and oh, look at that, it's bright as can be. Now we can try and work this back in. Shouldn't be too hard. Goes right on in, and we'll end up turning it clockwise. And I got smaller hands, so it's really not too hard for me to reach in there. So it would have helped to see what I was actually looking to do. There's that line. Maybe I wasn't going in at a good enough angle. Okay. It's in. Alright. Cool. Now I'm sure these little clips aren't the worst thing, but my top one was already like messed up, so I want to make sure, because it actually ended up working pretty well. That's probably the one that's a little, oops, there we go, beat to shit right now. Alright, let's just take this all the way out, I think. There we go. Alright, and then doesn't matter which way it goes in, don't look like it. Just because it didn't want to extract it, I had to like end up pulling it to like coax it, and the reason why I want to leave that one at the top is because I could reach it. Pliers, needle nose pliers to help take it off when everything else was on, tire and all. Alright, so I'll probably cut out the screwing. Okay, you're in. This is gonna be okay. Yeah, so this one just wants to push in. It's done. Alright, so there you go. I'm just gonna put the tire back on and maybe get a shot of the light on and whatever when everything's put together, but other than that, that's it. So alright.